Trees are our silent friends, standing tall through the ages. They provide shelter, clean air, and beauty to our environment. Did you know that a single tree can absorb 48 pounds of carbon dioxide each year? That's incredible. Trees are home to countless species of wildlife. From birds nesting to insects thriving, they create a diverse ecosystem. Trees also have a profound impact on our mental health. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and promote well-being. Let us appreciate and protect these wonderful beings. Every tree counts, and together we can enjoy their beauty for generations to come.